Welcome to Online Storytime today. My name is Debbie. I'm so glad you're here. Today I have a felt story to share with you all about some different animals and what you say when you see one. And it's based on a book called If You See a Kitten by John Butler. So here we go. If you see a kitten, say, "Aww," because kittens are so cute. If you see a pudgy pig, say, "Pew." If you see a dozing dormouse, say, "Shh." So sleepy. If you see some slimy slugs, say, "Yuck." I definitely say yuck when I see a slug. If you see a pretty peacock, say, "Wow," because they're so beautiful and they have beautiful feathers. If you see a slithery snake, say, "Yikes," and maybe run away. If you see a prickly porcupine, say, "Ouch," and don't get too close. If you see an enormous elephant, say, "Wow." I'm running out of space on here for all my animals. Now let's see, what else do I have here? If you see a spooky spider, say, "Ee." And if you see a crabby crocodile, say, "Help!" The end. Now let's sing a song about an animal, and you can make up all sorts of different verses to the song with different animals, but we're going to do little bunnies, okay? And the little bunnies are going to be sleeping, so get ready. Maybe curl up on the floor, close your eyes. See the little bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Come and let us gently wake them with a merry tune. Oh, how still are they ill? Wake up soon. And everybody wake up and hop around. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. 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 And you can make up all sorts of different verses for that. Maybe you want to have some sleeping puppies. See the little puppy sleeping till it's nearly noon. Come and let us gently wake them with a merry tune. Oh, how still are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, little puppies, and bark! Bark, little puppies, bark, bark, bark. 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 Woof, woof, woof. Good job, little puppies. All right, I hope you enjoyed this story time today. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.